Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your home baking experience, the Panasonic SD-R2550 automatic bread maker. We discovered this fantastic appliance online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Panasonic SD-R2550 is an advanced bread maker designed to take the hassle out of baking at home. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it's perfect for beginners and seasoned bakers alike. This machine not only bakes delicious bread but also offers a variety of options for cakes, pizza, and even gluten-free recipes. One of the standout features of the SD-R2550 is its double temperature sensor. This innovative technology measures both the internal and ambient temperatures, automatically adjusting the baking time for optimal results. Whether you're making a classic loaf, a rich cake, or even pizza dough, the machine ensures that every ingredient is perfectly mixed and baked to perfection. The unique Artisan-style kneading blade is another highlight of this bread maker. Its specially designed shape works in conjunction with the specially placed ribs in the bread pan, allowing it to knead even firm and hard-to-blend doughs with ease. This means that your bread will not only taste great but will also have that ideal texture that every bread lover craves. Another fantastic feature is the raisin and nut dispenser. This automatic dispenser releases additives like nuts, seeds, or raisins at just the right moment during baking. No more worrying about uneven distribution of your favorite ingredients. This machine makes sure they are evenly mixed throughout your bread. With 20 different settings, including gluten-free options, the SD-R2550 caters to a wide range of baking needs. Whether you want to whip up a whole wheat loaf, a tangy sourdough, or an elegant brioche, the machine has a preset for you. There are even programs for cakes, pizza dough, and pasta, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, the manual time setting allows you to customize the kneading and fermentation processes. This feature is perfect for bakers who enjoy experimenting with different recipes or want to tailor their baking to suit their specific tastes. So who is the Panasonic SD-R2550 suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking to provide fresh, homemade bread for your family, or a novice baker eager to learn the art of bread making, this machine is for you. It's also ideal for health-conscious individuals who want to control the ingredients in their bread, especially when it comes to gluten-free options. And of course, seasoned bakers will appreciate the convenience and versatility this machine offers. In practical use cases, imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread wafting through your home. You can program the machine the night before and wake up to a warm loaf awaiting you. It's also perfect for hosting gatherings. Imagine impressing your guests with homemade pizza made from scratch, all while you focus on entertaining. The Panasonic SD-R2550 embodies Japan's commitment to innovation and high-tech heritage. It not only makes the baking process smarter and faster, but it also enhances your cooking experience, allowing you to create delicious meals that are sure to impress. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.